Want to learn how to reset the password of your Reddit account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today we'll learn how to reset the password of your Reddit account. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address option. Enter here reddit.com. This will take you to the official web page of a Reddit app. Now tap on this login option on the top right corner. So here you have an option of resetting your password. By tapping on this password option into the statement, forget your username or password. Tap on password. First of all, enter your username and then your email address. When you're done doing it, tap on reset password below. If your Reddit username and email address match, you'll get an email link with a link to reset your password shortly. So make sure to go to your email address and check it. So on the top you can see a notification by Reddit app. So I'm going to tap on it and then tap on reset password option. Now you can choose a very new password for yourself. Now once again, retype your password to verify it. So you can see that changing the password logs you out of all browsers on your devices. Checking this box will also help you log out of all apps you have authorized. If you agree with it, tap on the square box in front of it and then tap on set password below. So you can see that you have successfully reset your password. Now you're all set for opening it and then getting logged in easily. So this is how you reset the password of your Reddit account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.